Welcome to ABC GROK! Let's come to our video! Hi kids! Welcome to ABC GROK! Let's learn ABC with farming vehicles from A to Z. A is for all-terrain vehicle. B is for baler. Is for combine harvester. D is for disc harrow. E is for excavator. F is for irrigation machine. J is for John Deere tractor. K is for Kubota tractor. L is for loader. M is for manure spreader. Is for New Holland tractor. O is for orchard spreader. P is for plow. Q is for quad bike. U is for utility tractor. V is for vacuum seeder. W is for water tanker. X is for extra large harvester.
Z is for zero tillage machine.